and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a microphone comparison between the Rode Wireless Ghost Century 2 microphone, which we unboxed, and the OPTEKA external audio microphone. Right now the audio is from the camera, so let's do the comparison right now. So right now you're hearing the audio from the OPTEKA external microphone. We can't hear it right now, we will only be able to hear it once we play back the video. So next we are going to do the microphone here. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out right now. So this is the second microphone, and we have the microphone attacher here. For the next, I'm going to talk with it for a bit and then I'm going to take it off and see the difference between the audio. So at this point I have really run out of things to say, so now I'm going to be taking it off. So this is it without the microphone extender. I don't know what I sound like, but I think it's going to be better quality than the first camera because this is a newer model. So I think it's going to be sound better. So since this is wireless, I'm gonna walk all the way over there and we'll see, and when we play back the video of course, when the audio will cut out. So I'm just gonna talk along the way so you can hear me. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but if you can, it's pretty impressive. I'm gonna keep walking probably towards the flowers, and then I'm gonna come back and see if the audio cut out. If it didn't, then that's amazing, and I will not be expecting that at all. I think that the audio is gonna cut out now because I'm pretty far away from the camera right now. But I don't know what to say because I literally said everything I can think of right now. So I'm gonna keep walking. We're nearly there. Okay, it has to by now, right? Okay, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna run because I don't have anything to say now, so I'm gonna make it quick. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be impressed if it doesn't cut out. That's tiring. Okay. So I guess we'll see if it cut out or not. I'm really tired from running that far. I'm gonna be really impressed if it didn't though. I will definitely not be expecting that. So that's it for today's video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.